Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying it's a Solo 3 and checking battery behavior. This narrows the fault to power, audio, or mechanical. Once done, remove ear cushions gently and expose screws. Keep parts organized so reassembly stays exact. Use a multimeter to test battery voltage at the connector and check for obvious corrosion. This tells you whether to progress to board-level checks or battery replacement. Make sure to work with good light and a magnetic dish so none of the tiny screws disappear. You now focus on the mid-stage, the internal wiring and circuit board. Disconnect the battery and visually inspect for lifted pads, cracked solder joints, and frayed wires. Those cause intermittent audio or power loss. Once you identify a suspect joint, apply flux and reflow with a fine-tip iron, avoiding heat on plastic. If a speaker fails the 1kHz tone test, remove and bench test the driver. Replace only when impedance or physical damage confirms failure. Keep testing between steps to isolate the exact cause. You finish by reassembling carefully, retracing your documentation so cables sit in original channels. Snug screws without over-tightening to avoid cracking the shell. Once assembled, fully charge and pair the Solo 3, checking left/right balance and Bluetooth stability. This confirms both power and audio paths are restored. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and test with a known good phone or cable. If intermittent faults remain, revisit soldered joints and harnesses because thermal cycling often reveals marginal connections.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.